Hi, this is Guld with Geeks on Tour, and this tutorial video is about copying old photos from a CD or DVD onto your Google Photos library. The first thing is, if your computer doesn't have a DVD drive, you're going to have to get an external USB drive. This is what I'm talking about right here, an external CD/DVD that plugs into your USB, and it's only $30. So I am going to do that. I have an old CD with photos on it, and it is plugged into my computer, and I'm going to load it up. Now, something might pop up as soon as the DVD spins up, but I don't want to do any of this. I want to manually copy photos from the CD, DVD to my Google Photos. So I'm going to cancel that. Now I open up my files and folders, and I want to look at this PC, and it's this right here, the DVD drive. And I have a folder on this is old, from 2000. I was so excited to find these pictures. New Year's 2000. I have several items in Disk 1 and more photos in Disk 2. So how do I get them to my Google Photos? Open a browser with your Google Photos library. So this is my whole library. And then open up the file. I'm going to do Disk 1 first. And all I have to do, I'm going to use the drag and drop method. There are other methods, but drag and drop, if you understand it, is so easy. So in the background is my Google Photos library on my web browser. In the foreground are the files that are on the DVD. And I just select them all. I can do that with a Control-A, and I drag them over. You should see that little plus copy, and when you it says drop files anywhere to upload. They are uploading. When it's done, it offers to add them to an album, and I do want to do that. So add to album, new album, and 2000 New Year's Eve, and check mark. Now there's a really cool thing. If I go back, remember I have another disc worth. I have a Disk 2. And I can drag them right into the open album. So I'm going to do a Control-A to select them all, and then just drag right into this album and let go. And notice it doesn't offer to add them to an album because I already did that. So there is Jim and me on New Year's Day Y2K, and it's all in the New Year's Eve album.